All right, guys, this is Al Lasada with Simple Option Strategies. I am going to talk about the trading that I've done in the past week, especially focusing on the new trade that I'm doing. It's really not a new trade. It's just a trade that I've done in the past and now really giving it a lot of time. You can see here the positions that I have that are working: November 11th, the 13th, 17th, the 19th, 21st, 26th, December 1st, and then December 5th. These positions are 25 wide positions, and I just wanted to share first with you where we are. I'm still using two contracts, and you can see here for the 11th, for the 6th, for the 11th as well. Today I put on that position, and you can see here that instead of 25 wide, I made a mistake and used the 20 wide. I'll be changing that tomorrow, but in any case, you can see where the market is today. Right there, pretty much at 67.95, and the position that I have is 66.50. And on the put side, I have 69.50 and 69.70. I'm sorry, these are the calls, and then the other side is the put. Sorry about that. Should be turning that because that's where I trade. Let me make that sure here. Yeah. So these are the puts, and then the left, it's the calls. Those are the positions that we have. I've got those positions here, and now on the 13th, I have 70.75, 70.50, 70.50, and then on the put side, I have, these are three, right? These are three, yeah, correct. And these are 66.50, 66.25. Really, really far away from the market. And I did this week have one position that I had moved up, and that position got in the money. But today I moved it out, and one day, and I got 50 cents to close. So that's where it is right now. That's where 13 is. And then 17, I've got 65.25, 6,500, and I've got 69.75 and 7,000. Is that the 19th? This is the 19th, and you can see here we have 70.75, 7,100. And the put side is at 6,500, 64.75. 21. I have on the put side, we have 62.25, which I'm probably going to move up, 6,200. And then on the call side, we have, where are you guys? Way up there. 7,100, 70.75. As you can see here, none of these positions are in the money or even close to being in the money. And you can see the P&L day today was really, really nice. I had a debit spread on, small debit spread, and we netted out 5,600 today, right? We have those very wide. And then I have December 1st. That's been there for a while. We've got 65.50, 65.25. And hopefully if you make comments here, I can increase or decrease the size of the screen so you guys can see it. I went white as well because people were telling me that it's better to see it white than black. I had for December 1st, I have 72.25, 7,200, really, really far away. It looks like it's short, but there's a lot of strikes that are hidden there. And then lastly, I put on December 5th, which was today. And I can see where those positions are. I've got 71, 75, 71.50, and I have 6,500, 64.75. All of these positions are pretty much, I'm using three contracts, and I'm using 220 for the credit, 220 for the credit. And I'm closing out those positions, a lot of those positions at 10 cents. So that's what's happening. And today we had a nice day. It was pretty nice, and we got some good money for that. Right, let me share with you the P&L. Let's see if I do this right. P&L. Let's do dashboard. 1 week. Let me show 1 week. Let's show 1 month first. Here we go. Let me share with you 1 month from 58,000 to now pretty much 8,300 in 1 month. You can do that in your head, and you can do that using math here and how much that is in a platform that's not more than 100K. And then 1 week we had from 70 to 83,000. And then from, well, 1 day, yeah, 1 day we had, you saw that, 77 to 83,000. That's what we had this week, and just let me know. See if I can get those positions in there. I'll find them. The next video that I use, I'll share the positions that I have and where they are in terms of the strikes. But you can see here just what I put on today. Yeah, just what I put on today. Yeah, you can't really see that, but we'll get that going. Guys, that's my update, and I am telling you that. Oh, and also today I did have a debit spread, and it was pretty much max out. Okay, with that today, just because we had a nice move down yesterday and the day before, and I like to wait to put on those debit spreads after we have a nice pullback. Okay, guys, that's my play on today. And let me know if you have comments. I do answer all your comments on YouTube, and it's Al at Simple Option Strategies. Hopefully this is of value to you. We'll talk soon. Thanks. Bye-bye. There it is.